Jai Hind everyone. This is Pragati Pandey with the new part of this chapter, data handling. In this video, in the previous video, we have studied the arithmetic mean, and now we will start another topic of the chapter, that is mode. So, first of all, we will learn that what is mode. Okay, suppose if there is a data present before you and you have to find the mode of that data. Okay, you have a numerous data and you have to find the mode of that data. What you will do, you will just observe the data, that which data has the maximum outcome. That means the data which is present maximum times will be the modal value of that data. Suppose you have height of the students, okay, and you can see that there are 100 students in which 85 students have the height as 5 feet, okay, and rest of them are 4.5, 4.6, 6 feet, 5.5 feet. So what you will do, that the more than 50% of the data belongs to 5 feet, the average 5 feet height. That means the number of 5 feet persons are 85. That means it occurs maximum times, that is 85 times. So the modal value of that data will be 5 feet. Let's see this mode with an example. In the previous video, we have seen the mean. In arithmetic mean, what we do, we usually find the central value of the data. That means we have the data, and with the help of sum of observation upon number of observation, we find a central value to which each and every data belongs. Okay, but in the condition of mode, what you will do, the data which found maximum number of times will be the modal value of that data. Okay, here you can see that the mode of a set of observation is the observation that occurs most often. Yes, here it is also saying that the mode of any data is the observation that occurs most number of times. We will see this with this example 4. Here in this example, it is written that find the mode of the given set of numbers. You can see that the numbers are 1 2 1 1 2 4 3 2 1 2 2 4. You can see this, it is the data present here. First thing is that while doing the modal value, while finding the modal value of any data, what we have to do, we have to arrange the data into its ascending or descending order. Okay, basically here you can see that the data is present in a random form, that is 1 1 2, then after 4, then after 3. Here it is present in a random form. First of all, we will put this data into a sequence form. That means we will put this according to ascending or descending order. After arranging this value in ascending and descending order, we will find the relating data together. That means you can see that 1 is present after arrangement 3 times, 2 is present 4 times, 3 is present 1 times, and 4 is present 2 times. You can see that 2 has occurred in the data as 4 times, which is highest in comparison to other. Here 1 is 3 times, the maximum number of time is 3 for 1, 2 is 4 times, 3 is 1, and 4 is 2 times. So 4 has been occurred in the data 4 times. That means the modal value of this data is 2 because it occurs 4 times. अगर हमें किसी भी डेटा का मोड निकालना हो, उस कंडीशन में उस डेटा में जो भी नंबर सबसे ज़्यादा बार आया होगा वो ही नंबर उस डेटा का मोड होता है। इस एग्जाम्पल 4 में आप देख सकते हैं 1 1 2 2 2 2 3 4 4. This is the arrangement of the data. In this you can see that आप देख सकते हैं कि 2 जो है वो 4 बार आया हुआ है, जबकि 1 3 बार आया है, 3 1 बार आया है और 4 2 बार आया है। 2 4 बार आने की वजह से ये सबसे ज़्यादा बार आया हुआ है और इस डेटा का मॉडल वैल्यू 2 ही कहा जाएगा, क्योंकि ये सबसे ज़्यादा नंबर्स टाइम आया हुआ है। ओके, नाउ we will see the mode of a large data. Okay, you can see here that there is an example 5. Following are the margins of victory in the football matches of a league. Here you can see that the data is numerous and it is not possible to arrange them in the form of ascending and descending order. So what we will do, for finding the mode of this data, we will put this data into tabular form. Okay, then after we will write the values. You can see here that margins of victory is given and it should be in sequence, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so first of all what we will do, we have kept this data into tabular form, and first the minimum margin of victory is 1, so we will count 1 number of times. Here it is 1, then after 2, then after it is 3 times, this is 4 times, this is 5 times, here after this is 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, then after 9 times. So you can say that margin of victory 1 has 9 outcomes. Okay, so here it is written as 9, it is number of match. You can see that 2 is present, you will count the 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6, then after 7, then after 8, after that 9 10 11 12 13 14. 2 has occurred 14 times. Like this 3 4 5 6 has also been occurred in the data. Okay, so you will write the tally of this data. How to write the tally? Let's see. If you have to write the tally of any data, what you will do, you will write the tally mark. For 1 is 1, 2 is 2 lines, 3 is 3 lines, 4 is 4 lines, and for 5 you will write like this 1 2 3 4, and this is 5. Okay, for 6 you will write like this, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. For 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Like this you will write the tally mark of any of the data, and after representing this data into the form of table, you can see that the number of times 2 has came is 14. That means 2 14 बार आया हुआ है, जिसके वजह से यह क्लियर हो जाता है कि 2 इस डेटा का मोड है, क्योंकि 2 सबसे ज़्यादा बार आया हुआ है इस डेटा में। ओके, so here is a question, find the mode of the following data. The 2 part of the question, you will solve this. Okay, you will find the mode of the data. You will see that first part you will write 12, then after 13, then after 14, then after 15 16 17 18 19. Up to 19 you have to write, and you have to observe that how many times each and every number has came, and the number which has came maximum numbers of time, that will be the modal value of the data. Okay, here this is your assignment work. You have to solve these 2 questions. Okay, these 2 questions are your assignment work. Pause the video, take the screenshot and solve these questions. Okay, in the first question you have to find the mode of the data. You have 2 parts in it. You have to write it in a tabular form, then after you will mark tally mark of each and every data, then after you will find the mode of the data. Okay, in the second question you have to make the table, then after you have to do the tally mark, and after that you will find the mode of the data. Okay, and this question also find the mode of the following data. This is also your assignment work. You have to do these questions. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss the median. We have gone through mean, mode, then after we will discuss median in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you, class.